Hello guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Alex TV. Thank you very much for joining us. We are very happy that you are part of our story. Now, this is today is Tuesday, and it's Inspirational Tuesday. And I usually say that in whatever you do in life, just trust yourself, do the best that you can to make sure that you achieve your goals in life. Whether it's in business, whether it's career, whether it's in farming, with whatever sphere of life that you're handling, make sure that you trust the process, do it diligently, and at the end of it all, you'll have some results. In life, we have those people who by luck they succeed, and we have those people who need to work so hard so as to succeed. But at times, I usually say that it is not good to take the shortcut. At times, the shortcut can be the longest cut that you can ever take in life. Yeah. Nowadays, people cherish what you're calling as the quick money. Yeah. Unaona kijana after a while amepiga shughuli, ndio maybe anapiga shughuli legit, but at times people question how some people get money. Now there is a story behind it. Yeah. Currently, as we speak, there is a tycoon in Nigeria known as Luxury, KC Luxury. KC Luxury has been inspiring a lot of Lagos people. My Lagos people, yeah, my Lagos youth have been inspired by the stories, always inspiring the youth, telling them how to work hard, telling how to not be procrastinating in life, yeah, such kind of stories. Yeah? And he's a real estate developer allegedly, and he has several apartments in Lagos. He has several businesses. At one point or the other, he is escorted by the security officers whenever there is traffic jam and such kind of a thing. People love him in the public spaces when he's showcasing his type of the machines that he owns, that is in terms of cars. So the guy is all over the place, yeah, flossing and doing the good things allegedly. However, in the previous few days ago, jamaa amepatikana na skandal ingine mwecheche. Malcolm atasema ni mwecheche. Jamaa amepatikana na cocaine, yeah, over what you calling as $27 million, 27,000, yeah, dollars. So it's approximately 20 kgs of that particular cocaine. It was impounded by the Nigerian enforcement officers, and currently as we speak, Jamaa is facing charges. So at times when you see this flashy lifestyle kwa social media, isiwahi kupea pressure. You never know the source of money ya mtu, because we have good dealings out here and we also have dirty dealings. So whatever you're doing, do it diligently and trust the process. I'm telling you, at the end of it all, you will succeed. Don't take a shortcut to succeed in life. So saizi KC Luxury anaenda kula maharagwe because of what you're calling us the dealings that he has been doing. Now, you never know how many people amewafanya wamekuwa zombies in Nigeria simply because of the use of the drugs. So let us continue doing the good thing, but whichever line you choose to follow, know that there is always a consequence. So until next time, subscribe, like, and share. Adios.